Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Alice. How are you today?
Hello, David. I am fine, thank you. How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. Today is a calm day. The weather is nice. It is not too hot. It is not too cold. It is a good day to learn English.
Yes, I like days like this. I feel relaxed. I am ready to learn.
That is very good. I am happy to hear that. Learning English is easier when we feel calm. We can learn slowly. We can take our time.
Yes, I like learning slowly. I do not like to hurry.
Me too, Alice. Today we will speak slowly. We will repeat many times. We will explain everything again and again.
That sounds good. What is our topic today?
Today, our topic is very simple and very useful. We will talk about asking for help in a store.
Asking for help in a store?
Yes, asking for help in a store. For example, when you go to a shop and you need something, you do not know where it is. You can ask for help.
Ah, yes. I go to stores many times. Sometimes I do not know where things are.
Exactly. This happens to many people. It happens to me too. So today we will learn easy English for this situation.
I like that. Sometimes I am shy to ask.
That is normal, Alice. Many learners feel shy, but with simple English it becomes easier.
I hope so.
We will practice together. We will use very simple words. We will repeat them many times. By the end, you will feel more confident.
Thank you, David. I feel better already.
You are welcome. Before we begin, let us take a moment. Sit comfortably, take a small breath. We are not in a hurry.
Okay, I am ready.
Good. So again, our topic is asking for help in a store. We will stay with this topic from start to end. We will talk about many real-life situations.
Sounds helpful.
And remember, it is okay to make mistakes. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Yes, I try to remember that.
Very good. Now, before we continue, I want to say something small to our listeners.
Oh, okay.
If you like learning English with us, if you enjoy calm and slow conversations, you can like this video.
Yes, please like the video.
And you can subscribe to the channel to learn more easy English with David and Alice.
Subscribing helps you learn every day.
Yes, and you can listen while you rest or while you do other things.
That is what I do.
Very nice. Now let us begin our lesson.
I am ready.
The first idea is very simple. When you are in a store and you need help, you can say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me?
Yes, excuse me. This is a polite way to start. We say excuse me before a question.
So I say, excuse me, and then I ask?
Exactly. For example, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Very good. Again, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. This sentence is very useful. You can use it in many stores.
Can I say it to anyone in the store?
Yes, you can say it to a store worker. For example, someone who works there.
Okay.
Let's say you are in a supermarket. You are looking for sugar. You do not see sugar.
That happens to me.
So you see a worker. You walk slowly, you smile, you say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
That sounds polite.
Yes, polite English is very important. Again, excuse me is polite.
What if I only say, help me?
Help me is very direct. It can sound rude. It is better to say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
I understand.
Another example is, excuse me, I need help.
Excuse me, I need help.
Good. This is also simple. We can say it again. Excuse me, I need help.
Excuse me, I need help.
Very good. In real life, people will understand you.
That makes me feel better.
Now let us add more information. After you ask for help, you can say what you need.
Like what?
Like this. Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for milk.
I am looking for milk.
Yes, I am looking for is a very useful phrase.
I am looking for.
Let's repeat it. I am looking for milk.
I am looking for milk.
Again, I am looking for bread.
I am looking for bread.
Very good. Again, I am looking for shoes.
I am looking for shoes.
Perfect. We can change the word at the end.
That is easy.
Let's say a full sentence again. Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for bread.
Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for bread.
Excellent. Let's say it slowly one more time.
Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for bread.
Very nice. In real life, the worker may say yes and show you.
That is helpful.
Sometimes you can also ask, where is?
Where is?
Yes. For example, where is the milk?
Where is the milk?
Good. Again, where is the bathroom? But today we stay with stores.
Yes, stores.
So, where is the bread?
Where is the bread?
Perfect. We can also say, where can I find bread?
Where can I find bread?
This is also good. It means the same thing.
So many ways.
Yes, English has many ways, but you can use just one or two. That is enough.
I like simple ways.
Me too, Alice. Now, let's make a small story.
Okay.
You are in a clothing store. You want a t-shirt.
I like t-shirts.
You do not see your size. You see a worker. What do you say?
Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for a t-shirt.
Very good. You can also say, do you have this in my size?
Do you have this in my size?
Yes, that is another useful sentence.
Excuse me, do you have this in my size?
Perfect. Again, excuse me, do you have this in my size?
Excuse me, do you have this in my size?
Excellent. Let us repeat the idea. We start with excuse me. We ask politely, then we say what we need or we ask where it is.
Yes, I see.
Now let us slow down and review.
Okay.
We can say, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
We can say, excuse me, I am looking for milk.
Excuse me, I am looking for milk.
And we can say, where is the milk?
Where is the milk?
Very good. Now we will practice more.
I like practice.
Repeat after me. Excuse me.
Excuse me,
Can you help me?
can you help me?
I am looking for rice.
I am looking for rice.
Where is the rice?
Where is the rice?
Very nice. Let's do another set.
Okay.
Excuse me, I need help.
Excuse me, I need help.
I am looking for soap.
I am looking for soap.
Where can I find soap?
Where can I find soap?
Excellent. Now let us move to interactive practice.
I am ready.
Imagine you are in a store. You need apples. What do you say?
Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for apples.
Very good. Now imagine you need shoes.
Excuse me, I am looking for shoes.
Perfect. Again, imagine you need water.
Excuse me, where is the water?
Excellent. Let us go slower. Say after me, excuse me.
Excuse me,
I am looking for.
I am looking for.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Very good. You can pause in a store. You can think. It is okay.
That makes me feel calm.
Good. Now we will do real-life scenarios.
I like stories.
First, shopping. You are in a supermarket.
Okay.
You say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
The worker says, "Yes."
Yes.
You say, "I am looking for sugar."
I am looking for sugar.
The worker shows you. That's it.
Simple.
Another scenario, you are in a small shop.
Okay.
You want a gift. You say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me?
The worker says, "Yes, what do you need?"
What do you need?
You say, "I am looking for a gift for my friend."
I am looking for a gift for my friend.
Very good. Another scenario, you are traveling.
Traveling?
Yes, you are in a travel shop. You need a bag.
Okay.
You say, "Excuse me, where can I find bags?"
Excuse me, where can I find bags?
Great. Next